guys. Hi guys. Welcome to this channel. My name is Wanjiku Maina, and if you're new, welcome. If you're coming here for yet another time, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you watch till the end. So today is on a Monday morning, and I decided to start the day with you. So here's the thing. I'll be making breakfast with you guys, and mm, it's quite. I don't know if it's ridiculous or maybe not. So my mom has not been around for the last like 1 week. So it has been doing whatever we want in terms of how we cook, how we do things. Yeah. So yesterday on Sunday, we decided not to cook dinner. So after eating a late lunch, we had lunch at around 4, 5, around there. We decided not to cook dinner, and so today is on a Monday morning. My brother needs to go to work and he cannot go on an empty stomach. And now here's the thing, we did not buy even milk. And it's good to say that I'm not planning to go to the shops right now in the morning. So we'll have tea without milk. But I'm thinking of making some pancakes. But now yet again, you only have the brown flour, not the white one. I have never made brown pancakes. I don't know how they will turn out, but I'll get to find out today because yeah, that's all that I can do. Yeah. And then let's see how the day pans out. Let's see where this vlog will lead to. Yeah. Because I don't know. I'm not filming a day in my life, but yeah, we have to fill up content for this video. Yeah. So we'll start the day today, do the breakfast, and then we'll see what next after that. Stay tuned and please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you haven't. Please do. It really does support my channel. Please like, it really does support my channel. Yeah. So let's start.
Stop. The memories flood in my head. Just like the waves, babe, we were endless. Drowning in your eyes, put me in your tide. Do you still remember all the shit we used to do? The drunken walks at 2 a.m. in high school. Slipping away before your eyes are right into the night. It feels better when you're frozen inside my mind. Till the clock runs out of eyes on you. When the sun goes down, it's just too soon. Won't you take me away? Oh, I can't refuse it. Give me slow before you lose it. Will it last until tomorrow? It's fading now. I don't know. When you're young, you're out. There's still our eyes on you. They're watching over. unabamba mama, yetu sasa ninabamba daddy. The way you make me feel, what a love, what a love, what a love. Let me tell you why I love you this much. Let me tell you why you are my treasure. Let me tell you why I love you so much. Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever. Namiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani. And it's you that I prayed for. Unakaa exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. Nikila la 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 la. Butter 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 butterfly, yeah yeah yeah. Yeah, yeah, you're my forever.
So guys, it's much later. Right now it's 9:51 and I've already washed the dishes and mopped the floor, and so I was ironing these pieces. Yeah, and I don't think it's visible from the camera. I don't know if it's visible, but they have a nice shade of white, not like before. In fact, they look like they are new, and I simply washed them with not washed but rinsed them with a blue powder. I don't know if flamingo is the name of the blue powder or flamingo is the brand name. I don't know, but maybe you know that thing. A blue powder in a blue sachet written flamingo. Yeah, that is what I used to rinse them, and they have a very nice shade of white. They look new. But then again, to complete this new look, I had to iron them so that they can look nice. And I'm so happy with the results. So happy. And yeah, that's it. So since I'm done with that and I'm done with my chores here at home, I want to undo this hair. Yeah. Let me untie it and unravel it. So yeah. And you see how it looks. It's now time to undo it, and let's see if there is hair growth. I hope there will be no breakage, fingers crossed. I know I have to shed some hair, of course, that's a given, but I hope that breakage will not be there. Yeah, there is a difference between shedding and breaking. So in breakage is the negative one. Yeah, it's not supposed to happen. So I'm hoping and praying that it will be good. So I've had this hair for 5 weeks, exactly 5 weeks, and I feel like it has served me pretty well, because considering at the front these are lines, and I mean it's not so shaggy. There is a way lines can be shaggy when nywele imechapa, so considering they're not that shaggy, I feel like they have served me well, and it's time to say goodbye to it. So the next time you see me, I'll probably only have my hair having undone this, and I know it will be quite some work considering I'm doing it alone, but yeah, I have the whole of today to do that before evening comes. So see you later. Hi there. So it's the next day, and yeah, I did undo my hair. Don't judge me for how it looks. Um, just the way I put on this thing while sleeping, and I've not removed it for the whole of today. Yeah, after all, I'm just at home. So, let me say that the hairline is not that bad, but somewhere here, um, yeah, it seems that if I did not undo that hair soon, if I was later than that, maybe the damage would have been bigger. But yeah, as for the growth, it's hard to notice. It's just a small growth, but yeah. As for breakage, there was, and so I stopped combing the hair, detangling it, because I thought the more I detangle, the more it breaks. So I left it at that. Yeah, because I noticed that my hair, when I detangle it when it has some water, it's easier. It doesn't break as much. The shading is so small, but when it's dry, like right now, and so I'm here. A girl is hungry, so I'm about to make. There is some ugali from yesterday night, but yeah, I don't have anything to eat with it. So I'm planning to make some eggs. And so this is it. Here I have onion, yeah, two tomatoes, a small piece of ginger because it's only two eggs, and garlic. And not these two eggs, they are so small. I'm even wondering if they are, yeah, but it's only me, so yeah, they will be enough. And so that is what I am making for lunch to accompany the ugali. Yeah. So I guess I'll see you. I don't know. Now, later. I don't know. But stay tuned. And thank you for watching till here. And I hope that you watch till the end. Okay? See you. Yeah, and in case you're wondering, I just mixed all of them up. Yeah. I feel so hungry, and I'm also kind of lazy to go step by step. So I just mixed all of them, and I think these tomatoes are too many or just enough to make up for my little eggs. So this will be more than enough for me. Yeah, and I'll have my lunch and be able to make it through the day. Yeah, it's quite early. It's 11:48 right now, so you can imagine the hunger that I have for me to be cooking at this time of the day. And I am not that person who is, what should I say? I'm not so accustomed to cooking lunch. So, yeah. So, there goes my eggs, and here I have this ugali from yesterday. So I'll just eat some. I don't know until I'm full. Then the rest kuna kuku. So see these eggs, you see the way you can use tomatoes when cooking, let's say maybe cabbage, or maybe use tomatoes to cook something, to cook githeri, to cook rice. Yeah, so today I used eggs to cook tomatoes. This combination, it doesn't make sense that I used tomatoes to cook eggs. This is I used eggs to cook tomatoes. But yeah, it tastes good because of the garlic and the ginger. I'm not so used to cooking this way. Mostly I just use onion and nyanya, and then I'll just put in some dania. But yeah, the lazy me does not feel like going to the shops to look for dania, so I used garlic and ginger because that is what I had in the house. So I'll just enjoy my lunch and I'll see you later, hopefully. It has rained cats and dogs, and I don't even have a sweater, as you can see. My hair is wet. I don't know why I did not think of carrying an umbrella. But yeah, here we are. Okay, I'm so cold. And my left ear is paining me because of the cold. I don't know if anyone else has this symptom. I don't know, but me, when I feel a lot of cold, my ears start paining me from the inside, and then after that it's a headache that follows. Not too far. I don't know, my legs look so clean from the camera, but if you could just see them. See you at home. I can already imagine how my hair will be smelling by tomorrow. And I had no plans to take care of it, at least not tomorrow, maybe by the end of this week, because I undid it yesterday. It was on a Monday, today is on a Tuesday. At least maybe make it on Saturday because of church on Sunday. But yes, here we are. Cold. See you guys later. Hi guys. I can't remember the last time I was here for this vlog. Today is on a Monday, a new week. Yeah, the last time I vlogged, it was last week. I can't remember when, but yeah, and I was sleeping. My face can't tell, but I feel like the last time I talked to you guys, I was talking to you about my hair. Yeah, I went and had my hair blow dried, and yeah, as you can see, I don't have many hairs on my head. Yeah, my hair is not voluminous, but yeah, in fact, let me untie it because I have not done so since I was from the salon. That is on Saturday, and today is on Monday. Yeah, if you are close to me, if you know me, or maybe if you have been here for a long time, Then I must have mentioned that combing my hair is one of those things that I do struggle with. Yeah. I love my hair, yes. But when it comes to combing, I guess that is where I draw the line. But maybe unless I am stepping out each and every day, then for sure I'll have to comb my hair in the morning and in the evening. But yesterday I didn't go to church. So that's a reason why I didn't comb it yesterday. And then today I've been at home, so but I feel like there is some kidogo growth. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should bring it. I don't know. Kidogo growth. Yeah, it's not that massive, but then again, still, yeah. So, um, let's see. But yeah, so I am here to end this vlog because yeah, it needs to be edited, and I don't think I'll add anything else here. So yeah, and also I'll be posting my videos on Saturday. Yeah, that is the day that I have settled on. Um, not so sure with the time. I'm not that specific with time, but the day I am. It's going to be on Saturday. As for time, maybe as we move forward, I'll have a specific time, but right now it's just Saturday. So be sure that on Saturday you'll be seeing a video from me. Please do subscribe, it really supports my channel. And yeah, please like this video, comment, and share. Yeah, I've not left anything out. Please do those four: subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you on my next one, most definitely. And also, if this is your first time here, you can watch other videos that are from me on this channel. And thank you for watching till this point. I'm really happy that you did watch till now. Yeah, so I'll see you on my next one. Bye.